Hey, myself Ravik and you are watching Technojan Infocom. LG is going to launch a new smartphone called LG Tribute Dynasty. This is the budget entry-level smartphone. This phone will be available from 12th January 2018. There is no confirmation from the LG that when the phone will be launched in India and what will be the price. So let's get the quick specification of LG Tribute Dynasty. It's made with plastic with metal finishes, which gives an elegant look to this mobile phone. The LG Tribute Dynasty is coming in sprint color option. The LG Tribute Dynasty is coming with 2GB RAM and 16GB internal storage. It's also coming with a dedicated microSD card slot which supports 32GB expandable memory. The LG Tribute Dynasty is coming with MediaTek MT6770 octa-core processor with 1.5 GHz clock speed. The LG Tribute Dynasty is packed with 2620 mAh long-lasting battery. LG confirmed that the battery will last for 2 days. In case of camera, the Tribute Dynasty is coming with 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flashlight and autofocus and PDAF technology, and the front camera will 5 megapixel with autofocus technology and wide angle selfie photoshoot. Both front and rear camera having lots of features like autofocus, PDAF technology, HDR mode, beauty profile, high photo resolution mode, etc. Both front and rear camera can shoot the video at 180p Full HD resolution. The LG Tribute Dynasty is coming with 5-inch HD IPS LCD display with resolution of 1280 by 720 pixel. The LG Tribute Dynasty is coming with Android 7.1.2 Nougat. In case of network connectivity, the LG Tribute Dynasty is coming with dual SIM. Both are the nano SIM slot. Both the SIM support 4G, but at a time single SIM can handle the 4G network. 2G and 3G network also supportable. It also supports high quality VoLTE calls. Connectivity option included Wi-Fi hotspot, Wi-Fi direct, GPS, FM radio and Bluetooth 4.2 version is there. It's also have a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output, and it has a dedicated dual microphone for noise cancellation. Sensor attached with LG Tribute Dynasty are accelerometer, proximity sensor, G sensor, a rear mounted fingerprint scanner is there, and e-compass. Some top features of LG Tribute Dynasty are like comfort view, smart cleaning, smart dialing, easy home, smart lock, knock on from LG, the double tap switch on and double tap switch off, and quick video editor, quick photo editor, etc. So that's all. If you want to know more about the others LG mobile, then click on the top right corner and like my video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for the watching guys. Have a good day. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification while I upload a new video.